This is Shady Chicken at the bottom left corner. Shady Chicken has a big lore, and that lore is big. You guys will get what I'm saying, right? He is pretty mysterious. To find him, you have to shoot 10 of these X-shaped targets. And that's when the sound starts coming. And this is the last one, I believe. Yep, that's the last one. So once you get it, you're supposed to come over here. And, yeah, this is Shady Chicken. What's good, Shady Chicken? How you been doing, bro? Okay, anyway, stop fooling around. Okay, if you look here, this is a part of bridge, isn't it? And this is also linked to our warp. Let's go investigate that real quick. The bridge, and then this is the place he circled, right here. Exactly right here. Okay, so anyway, stop fooling around. This is Korea. The bridge is Korea. It literally says South Korea. 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 Well, there's an anime based on Korea. You might know this anime. It's called Solo Leveling. And solo leveling is pretty popular. And if you think about it, like you saw, it circled and showed the warp thing back there. That warp thing also leads to solo leveling, because in the last episode, Sung Jin-woo, the main character, goes to a gate, and the gate is a blue portal that actually turns out to be a red gate, which is really bad. And they put caution tape so nobody would get there. That actually kind of makes a lot of sense. So, if you get what I mean, you get what I mean. Because the only other place you see this block is in Battleground. Battleground was updated in the time the Warp season came out. And in the anime Solo Leveling, there are gates, just like in the Warp season. Because this looks exactly like the other part, but some small details like whatever this is, and whatever this is. And it's saying active warp stone. So this was updated in the warp season. And you know what else looks like the warp season? That has gates opening randomly? Solo Leveling. And Solo Leveling is actually has a big theory to do with Shady Chicken, because in Solo Leveling, magic beasts come out of the area Shady Chicken. The magic beasts come out of the area where those portal gates are. So, what if something came out of a portal gate Shady Chicken was trying to find out? Well, a good answer to that is Red Guy. Yeah, Red Guy. You guys probably know him. He is the main character of Rivals now because of Season 3. Because when Season 3 came out, he was the only part about Season 3. Everywhere you look, Red man, red man, red man, red man. Everywhere you look, red man. So, Shady Chicken was trying to find out why Red Man replaced him. He was the star of Rivals until Red Man came on his way to season 3. He was trying to find out exactly what happened. But there is one more part. What are you doing here? What is this place? This is my secret hideout. Well, it used to be. What was he hiding out from? He was hiding out from Redman himself. And if you want training, you could pick any of these. Nosny Global or Sensei. Which is pretty nice. Oh my gosh. Guys, make sure to go down, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.